Good morning, students of class 7. Previous class exercise 15C we have completed. From example sums I have explained already. Question number 1 to 3 only you have to do. 4, 5, 6, 7 no need to do. Now today we will start exercise 15D. So before starting exercise 15D you have to study one thing, that is Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras is one mathematician. So according to him, one theorem he has stated, that is, in a right triangle the square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of its remaining two sides. That means if we will take a right triangle, and right triangle means this angle is 90 degree, and opposite to 90 degree this side is called hypotenuse. Opposite to 90 degree the side is called hypotenuse, and this is the largest side of the triangle. This is height and this is base. That already I have explained. So according to him, in a right triangle, what is the relation in between these three, hypotenuse, height and base? That will be hypotenuse square equal to height square plus base square. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. That means AB square equal to BC square plus CA square. And if we will take AB length is C, BC length is A and AC length is B, then we will get C square is equal to A square plus B square. So mainly these things you have to remind, that hypotenuse square equal to height square plus base square. This is the main theorem, Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now we will start the exercise. First I have solved question number 1. So first you read the question. Find the length of the hypotenuse of a right triangle, the other two sides of which measure 9 cm, 12 cm. So here right triangle is given, means we have to draw one right triangle and you have to find the length of the hypotenuse, and other two lengths are given, 9 cm and 12 cm. That means it may be height. If we will take 9 cm as height, so 12 cm we can take as base, or 12 cm as height and 9 cm as base, any one we can take. So according to this question I have drawn the figure. If I will draw the figure, this is right angle triangle, angle B 90 degree, opposite to B this is hypotenuse. So I have taken height as HE, means shortly I have written HE means height, I have taken 9 cm, and base BA is written, that I have taken 12 cm. That height 12 cm, base 9 cm, on that way also you can take. And this length AC, hypotenuse, you have to find that. So I have given question mark. So we have to find the hypotenuse. How we will find? We know the relation. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to height square plus base square. So here I have written, we know hypotenuse square equal to height square plus base square must give the reason by Pythagoras theorem. Whenever I am writing in the copy that reasons you have to mention, must you have to mention the reason. Without mentioning the reason, marks will cut. So be careful about that. Hypotenuse square equal to height square. Height means what I have taken? 9. And base square what I have taken? 12. So 12 square. So hypotenuse square equal to 9 square means 81. 12 square means 12 into 12, it coming 144. So hypotenuse square equal to 225. You have to find hypotenuse. So this square we have to eliminate. So how we will eliminate? Hypotenuse equal to square root of this. Square root of any number, how you have to eliminate, you know. We have to do the LCM, and then from two same numbers we have to take one number. So square root of this one, from 3 we have taken 13, and from 5 we have taken 15. So hypotenuse equal to 15 centimeter. So answer will be length of the hypotenuse be 15 centimeter. Now we are going in question number 2. Question number 2, the question is given, the hypotenuse of a right triangle is 26 centimeter long. So the measure of hypotenuse is given. If one of the remaining two sides is 10 centimeter long, find the length of the other side. Hypotenuse length is given, one of the side is given, you have to find the other side. So if I will draw the figure, it's coming like this. This is a right triangle. Hypotenuse is given 26 centimeter and 10 centimeter is one of the sides. So suppose I have taken 10 centimeter as height, you can take base also. So 10 centimeter if I will take height, that means other side means base we have to find. So that base I have taken as x, because this we have to find, that's why I have taken x. So it's coming, let the length of the other side be x centimeter. So we know hypotenuse square equal to height square plus base square by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse means what? 26 square. Height means what? 10 square plus x square. Now the calculation. Total right side I have taken left side and left side I have taken right side. Now x square equal to what will come? 26 square minus 10 square. Directly 26 square means 26 into 26 you can do, and 10 square means 10 into 10 you can do. But here I have put one formula which you will learn in higher class. It will be easy to solve the calculation, that's why I have applied it. So x square equal to, this form is coming a square minus b square. It's coming a plus b into a minus b. 26 means a and 10 means b. A square minus b square. So it's coming a plus b into a minus b. According to you, you can also solve 26 into 26, 10 into 10. Direct calculation you can do without doing this. Now x square is coming 30, 26 plus 10, 36 into 26 minus 10, 16. So x equal to square root of that number. 36 means we can write 6 into 6 and 16 means 4 into 4. Now from double number we have to take one number, from double number one number, so x equal to 24. The length of the other side be 24 centimeter. This calculation 26 square minus 10 square, this calculation according to you, you can solve. Like x square equal to 26 square means 26 into 26 minus 10 into 10. On that way also you can solve, or you can apply the formula also.